During our Wednesday trip to the zoo, we gained some crucial insights, learned which of our prototypes we wanted to continue to develop and refine, and which we should let go of.
So today we tested our high quality ticket prototype and actually found that it wasn't the most effective for engaging kids. I think because there wasn't as strong enough of a tie from the reason to get a ticket from just visiting an exhibit to the extra benefit that the ticket actually gives the user.
When testing our bathroom aquarium prototype, we got some feedback from parents saying it was cute, but we weren't able to get really in-depth insights as we didn't have many target users using the bathroom. If we were to go forward with this prototype, it would need to be on a much larger scale to really engage the children.
So one thing that we changed from the first safari that we did to the second was that we created a second interactive component for younger kids that included a map with pictures, and we found that this was really successful and allowed kids to engage in a variety of ways depending on their age and their ability.